Hi everyone, this is Annette Morris, and this is my Look for Less challenge. And the challenge is hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door and Kristen from Chaotic Life. And this is my Look for Less that I'm going for. Z Gallery marbled dinnerware. And this is how much I spent for my items that I'll be putting together. These are my chargers. And they white chargers. And I got 6 in a pack for $5. Okay, let's get started. Using this Dollar Tree platter, I add water to help me put together my marble look. I decided to use the bronze copper color and what I'm doing now and actually mixing everything together. I just took this plain paper plate, just to test the waters and make sure everything had a nice flow to it. You may hear it but don't see it. I'm actually spraying the rubbing alcohol on the charger to clean it before I apply the copper paint. And now I'm just mixing the water and the paint together to get a nice flow on the platter. There's no real technique. This a matter of just trial and error, just to see how you can get everything to flow in the look that you may like. Now I'm showing you here that I really like this effect, and I'm going to go with that. And now all I do is let it drip a little and set it aside and let it dry. Okay, so looking at Z Gallery charger, marble charger, and comparing it to my charger, I was able to get with the copper bronze color. Okay, now to do that over with 4. 3 more to go. And you will see as I do this that no two chargers look the same. Each have its own look and its own character. And what I'm showing here is that You can also overwater it, and that's exactly what was done with this here. It was just too much water. I decided to try a different technique for the to try to get the marble look. I like this, but it didn't work out. So after doing a trial and error, I decided to go with different looks for each one, and adding glitter at the end did give it a nice glitter effect. And remember, these are chargers, so nothing will be eaten off of these chargers, just placed, put on top. Okay, and here's the results. Each one have its own character, but I really like the way they turned out. I have to admit, I like the first technique. So if you try this, try it to try the first technique. I would like to thank the lovely ladies for this challenge, Yami and Kristen. A list to their channels and the playlist will be listed down below. Comment and let me know. Did you like this? Did I meet the challenge? Comment and let me know. Okay, Z Gallery, marble dinnerware chargers, a set of 4 for $79.80, and my chargers, a set of 6 for $5. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.